how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can invite collaborators on Instagram after posting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The issue here is quite simple. If you open up Instagram, you hit the plus button over here. Let's say you selected a photo here. When you selected a photo, you forgot to invite someone as a collaborator. Now you have already posted that photo or video, you've already gotten a handful amount of likes and comments. You want to invite collaborator, but at the same time you don't want to delete it because there is always the losing likes issue. So if I just come to my profile page over here, if I select a certain photo here, if I just tap the three dots option here and then I go to the edit button, here you can see at the very maximum I have the option to tag people. So there's no way, unfortunately, you can invite collaborators after you already post something unless you choose to delete it and then re-upload the same thing by inviting a collaborator. When you tap the tag people option, you can see unfortunately we don't have the option to invite collaborators. So hopefully if in the future Instagram might come up with an update, I will also make sure to update you about it. Until then, stay subscribed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.